So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Do you want to see where your website ranks on Google? Here's how to check your average position and find the keywords bringing visitors to your site. So firstly, open Google Search Console and select your website. Click Performance, then Search Results from the left menu. At the top, you'll see Average Position. This shows the average ranking position of your website across Google search results. Scroll down to the Queries section, and here you can see the keywords people searched for along with your clicks, impressions, CTR, and position. Click the Pages tab to see how each page performs, and select a page to see the specific keyword is ranking for its average position. And that's it. Google Search Console makes it easy to track your rankings, keywords, clicks, and overall search performance. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more quick website tutorials.